Let's learn farm animals' names and their sounds. Number 1 is cow. It makes moo sound. Number 2 is goat. It makes bleat sound. Number 3 is duck. It makes quack sound. Number 4 is horse. It makes neigh sound. Number 5 is camel. It makes grunt sound. Number 6 is chicken. It makes cluck sound. Number 7 is sheep. It makes baa sound. Number 8 is pig. It makes oink sound. Number 9 is goose. It makes honk sound. Number 10 is donkey. It makes hee-haw sound. Number 11 is rabbit. It makes squeak sound. Number 12 is rooster. It makes crow sound. Number 13 is buffalo. It makes grunt sound. Number 14 is honeybees. They make buzz sound. Number 15 is ostrich. It makes growl sound. Wow, that was so much fun meeting all the farm animals today. Do you remember all the animals we met? You can practice their sounds at home too. Thanks for joining us. If you had fun, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on more exciting adventures. See you next time. Bye bye.